Hi, is Alexis there?
Hold on. I'm gonna get her the phone.
I'm sorry?
I'm trying to get her the phone.
Okay.
Hello?
Hi, is Alexis there?
Yes.
Hi, Alexis. This is RJ Bates. I was calling about your property on Oak Hill Cemetery Road. Looks like you had entered this on my website saying that you're looking to sell. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. How much were you looking to get for it?
16,000.
You said 15?
16.
16. Okay. Well, tell me a little bit about it. What you got going on?
I have a 4-bedroom, 2 full bath, mobile home, living room, den, dining room, and I have 2 acres of land.
Mobile home, 2 acres of land. What's got you looking to sell?
Sir,
I said, why are you looking to sell?
because I want to relocate and I just didn't want the property to go down.
Gotcha. Where are you looking to move to?
Macon, Georgia.
Okay. Do you know what the square foot is? Is it 2,000 square feet? Is that what you said?
Yes.
What's the condition like on it?
It's just some minor like conditions like it need more plastic underpins. Redo the front porch, redo like a couple of floors.
Okay. Uh, how'd you come up with the number 16? That's such a specific number.
That's just the number I just was going with because of the land and the trailer. So
Uh-huh.
that's just the number I was going with.
I got you. What's your time frame on looking to move? When do you want to move?
Soon as possible.
You got a place to go?
Yeah, that's the place to go. I'm just trying to get it sold before I go.
Are there a lot of mobile homes out there?
No, it's like more like a family street. Like it's a family.
Gotcha. Said ready to go, huh? You own this free and clear?
Sure.
I said, do you own this free and clear? No mortgage on it or anything like that? No liens?
No, none of that.
All right. How about 15,000? I cover all the closing costs and there's no commissions. We'll get it closed in a month.
In how long?
A month?
In a month.
Yep. We'll close in the middle of August.
With someone I'm a college.
You're going to negotiate with someone. You're negotiating with me. Who's someone?
A month to I was trying to be happy down by a month.
What? Well, I mean, we got to pull title and do all that. I mean, when do you want to close by?
I was trying to get close soon as possible.
Right, but we gotta have a title company pull title and get all the docs ready and all that. That at least takes a couple of weeks. That other person's gonna have to do the same thing. Who's this other person? Where did they come into the picture?
It's someone else I had spoke with too, and that range was a little quicker than that.
Okay. So when do I need to close by?
I'm really trying to get closed like soon as possible.
Well, I know, but you said that they could move faster, so they told you a time.
Yeah, they told me the one I spoke with already said that they could get the title search back in 7 days.
7 days. You know what that sounds like?
What?
That sounds like a hot pile of poo poo.
Yeah.
That's,
they already started there, so that's why.
they already started what?
Their title search.
They started their title search?
Yeah, he said he already started their title search.
You can't. Did they sign a contract with you?
Yeah.
Oh, so you're under contract with somebody.
Yeah, they did it, and I just felt like the numbers they were saying, but they went back and renegotiated with someone about the numbers on the price.
So did you sign a contract with them?
No, not yet. He just told me that he was doing the title search and all that.
That's what I'm saying. But you haven't signed anything with them, so all of that is irrelevant. Because I mean, my thing is if I go to a title company and I say, "Hey, title company, I want you to run title on this," they're going to say, "Where's the contract?" Because they get charged to run a title search. So unless they're just somehow doing this on their own, I mean, that just doesn't sound. That's not how we do deals. No one goes and does a title search unless they know, because it costs them money. Why would I go pull title on this unless I know you sign a contract and I know you're selling me your property?
And they said it was some problem with their attorney.
I know, that's what I'm saying. But that attorney, it costs him money to be able to pull a title search. Nothing is free. So no one does that until they have a signed contract. So I don't know. A week doesn't sound realistic. I mean, the best I would be willing to do would be August 9th. I can say that date for you.
You said August 9th?
I can close by August 9th. But I'll be honest with you. My offer is good right now. If you want to go talk to them, my offer goes away.
All right, let me sit with my husband, then I'll call you right back.
You can put me on hold and go talk to your husband.
He's at work right now, so I'll have to call him.
Okay. Well, yeah, I think I might have to pass, Alexis. I'm sorry.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Nah. Properties, and I can hear the husband talking in the background. What are we talking about? No. That all smells like a hot, steamy pile of dog shit. Next. She wasn't even upset about it at the end. That's how you know it was bullshit. Because if she was that motivated, where she's saying, I need you to close that fast, she ain't letting me get off the phone.